Last November, Lake Travis ISD voters approved 2 of 3 propositions in the district's 2022 bond referendum. Since that time, the district has been hard at work, issuing half of the approved bonds for various projects, including design of new high school number 2 and connecting roadway, design of a new competition gym and fine arts addition at Lake Travis High School, installation of guardhouses at Lake Travis High School, addition of a new parking lot at Lake Travis High School, installation of a video wall at the Lake Travis Performing Arts Center, land purchase for and design of elementary school number 9, installation of secured entry vestibules, purchase of school buses, and purchase of technology devices for students and staff. This past spring, Lake Travis ISD reconvened its Long-Range Facility Planning Committee to consider a plan to add stadium facilities to host extracurricular activities to the voter-approved high school number 2. The proposed 2023 bond projects include renovations to Cavalier Stadium, renovations and additions to the Lake Travis High School baseball, softball, and track stadiums, and additional amenities associated with campus stadiums to include fieldhouse and new golf amenities with safety and security upgrades included in these projects. The plan would also provide the replacement of turf and track surfaces at each middle school stadium, with additional locker room space, fields, and a new sound system at the Hudson Bend Middle School Stadium. But what about the upcoming brand new high school number 2? Currently, this new high school was approved by voters without any facilities to host extracurricular activities. However, the 2023 bond puts before LTISD voters a plan that includes a football/soccer stadium complex that will seat up to 8,000 fans of programs at the new high school number 2. The bond also proposes new baseball and softball stadiums that will serve as the home fields for high school number 2, as well as stadiums to serve the new high school's own tennis and track facilities. Without these separate extracurricular facilities at the new high school, students at high school number 2 will be required to travel and share facilities at Lake Travis High School. This potential arrangement creates many challenges for Lake Travis ISD, including overcrowding of the Lake Travis High School stadium facilities will worsen due to the continued growth in student enrollment and program participation at both high schools. Practice schedules for athletic, performing arts, and extracurricular programs regularly use these stadiums and will be adversely affected. Stadium-related facilities such as weight rooms, locker rooms, and other spaces would be shared by both schools. Travel for students to and from Lake Travis High School will create additional challenges in terms of busing schedules, traffic, and security at both schools, resulting in increased pressures on the district's general fund budget. Lake Travis ISD's 2023 bond proposal is a community-driven plan as a result of the district's Long-Range Facility Planning Committee. The proposed 2023 bond plan includes these additional facilities for use by students attending high school number 2 and creates more convenient access for students at both high school number 2 and Lake Travis High School to enjoy equitable resources for participation in various extracurricular activities. These facilities will also serve the district for multi-purpose use, including high school graduation, rugby, lacrosse, and many other district events. This plan is being put before voters on November 7th. All eligible registered voters are encouraged to become more informed and exercise their right to vote in this election. Early voting will occur on Monday, October 23rd through Friday, November 3rd. Election Day is Tuesday, November 7th from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can learn more about the proposed projects in the 2023 bond at www.ltisdschools.org/bond.